Here's a clear guide on how to grant someone access to your Facebook Business Manager. First of all, you need to go to Facebook Business Manager and then log into your account. Access the business settings. Go to settings from the bottom left corner of this screen. This will open the business settings, and then find the people section. In the left menu, click on users. Here you will see the list of people. You can also try adding a new user. Click on add button and then enter the system username and their role as well, and then click on create system user. You can select the appropriate access level, that is employee access, which has limited access to certain accounts and tools. If you give them the admin access, they will be able to have full control over the business, and you can customize their access later by assigning them to specific resources. So select the assets like pages and ad accounts that a person should access and define their permissions such as managing campaigns or viewing performance, and then send the invitation link to the person. They must accept the invitation to complete the access process. To provide access to another business, navigate to the partners and then click on add and then share access using their business manager ID. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.